And what you see over here is a temperature sensors which are attached to a bus bar monitoring. Now what we are doing is we are monitoring the temperature of this bus bar, and these sensors are wireless basically. So they are communicating with a hub module using wireless communication, which is based on 2.4 gigahertz. Now you can see over here at the top is a hub module is placed over here. Now this hub module basically communicates with those sensors wirelessly at 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Now what the hub module does is it stores the temperature value of those sensors, and it is communicating with our gateway using RS485. And you can see both the gateway as well as the hub module, they are powered with a 24 volt SMPS, which is placed over here. And of course, this is our IoT gateway, which is working on SIM currently. And you can see over here is a bus bar monitoring system dashboard. So basically, in bus bar monitoring system dashboard, we are going to monitor the temperature of R, Y, and B phase bus bar monitoring line. So in order to view the sensors and view their analysis, I will click on view button over here. So when I click on the view button, you can see we get some kind of analysis which is in front of you. So what this analysis is giving me is an average value of the entire day and the minimum and maximum value of that particular day. At what time did that particular value was observed. So similarly, it is for the Y phase and B phase as well. So when I go a little bit below, you can see I can see a trend for R, Y, and B phase. It is a temperature trend basically, like what was that per temperature at that particular time with a proper timestamp. And if I go over here, you can see it is a monthly trend. Like this monthly trend basically gives you an idea about the minimum, maximum, and average temperature on that particular day. Now, if I want to set an alert over here, so basically what I will do is I will click on add alert. So when I click on add alert, you can see you just need to select the meter over here. You can select what parameter you want. Like I can set on R. I can set the minimum. I would say I want to set the minimum for 22. I want to set the maximum for 24. And I can select what part I want to get my alert. I can select SMS or WhatsApp or email. Now I just want to make one thing clear that SMS is chargeable, WhatsApp is chargeable, but email is free. We don't charge anything for an email. And you just need to enter your mail ID over here, and then you just click on the frequency. Now we set a frequency because this frequency is for if you don't acknowledge the email, then you just need to come over here and acknowledge that particular alert when you set an alert. So when you receive an alert and you don't acknowledge it over here, the system will keep on sending it to you until you don't come and acknowledge over here. And we have something called an alert list. So basically, alert list basically gives you the list of alerts which you received and which you acknowledged or not. So nothing else. So it is like a history of alerts. Then I can just click on support over here. So this is basically if you have any kind of problem with the device or you have any hardware or software issue, you just can put your name, your phone number, your email, and what issues you are facing. And if you have any pictorial description of that particular problem, then you can upload that file over here as well. And you just need to click on submit. Once you click on submit, you just need to click on call me. You can let our support engineer know that you are having this particular issue. I raised a ticket. Our engineer will immediately assign a support engineer so who can assist you in all those issues. That's it. Thank you.